Hello, I'm in a 2008 Chrysler 300 and today I'm going to show you where the OBD2 port is. That's the port you'd use if, say, you've got a check engine light and need to plug in a scanner to read the codes to see what maintenance your vehicle might need. So from the driver's side, if you're sitting kind of towards the left here, I'll just keep going down. Here we go. Right there. So that's the port. A little bit dark, but that's it. It's kind of right above your pedal, your left pedal here. And if you don't find it mounted in place, sometimes they get pushed up back inside the dash. You'll need to go inside of here and fish around until you find it. But that's it. I hope this video is helpful, and hopefully your vehicle maintenance needs are affordable or maybe non-existent, maybe false code. But otherwise, hope you have a great day.